Good morning and salutations, y'all. Today we got a Zildjian K custom dark hi-hat, and this is the pair. The problem with this cymbal is that there's a crack right there. I don't know if you can tell, but it's about a nail length right there. I'm gonna repair that. We're gonna wave it out right there, just that crack alone. But before we do, let's give a little sound test. Alright, let's fix this baby up. Alright, y'all, we're back with the Zildjian K custom dark hi-hat top 13-inch, and as you can tell, we repaired the crack, no longer cracked in the cymbal whatsoever. And I bet you're wondering what the cymbal sounds like now. So let's give it a little sound test.